In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website on Nexcess hosting. Whether you're setting up a personal blog or a professional site, getting your site live is a crucial step, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. So let's dive right in. First things first, if you haven't yet signed up for Nexcess or logged in, you'll want to go ahead and do that. It's a straightforward process, much like signing up for any online service. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Nexcess website. This will be your hub for managing your hosting account and services. Now, we're going to choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Nexcess offers various types of plans, so feel free to explore which one is the best for you based on your requirements and budget. After choosing your plan, click on Plans and select the hosting type you need, be it WordPress hosting, cloud solutions, or something else. Remember to complete your payment to finalize the purchase of your chosen plan. Once your payment is sorted, it's time to create your site. Click on Create Your Site. You'll want to head over to Sites and click Create New Site. At this stage, you can either choose a platform like WordPress, which is highly recommended for ease of use, or opt for custom hosting if you have specific requirements. Next, enter your site name and domain, and then click Create Site. This part is exciting because you're one step closer to having your website up and running. After setting up your basic site configurations, access file management by clicking on Access File Management. You can use the inbuilt file manager or opt for SFTP or SSH if that's more your style to upload your website files. If your site needs a database, now's the time to set it up. Go to Databases and create a new database. You'll need to keep track of the database name, username, password, and host information, as you'll need these details to update your website configuration files such as the wp-config.php for WordPress sites. Now let's make sure your domain is pointed to Nexcess. Update your domain's A record to the Nexcess server IP. This process can take some time, anywhere from 1 to 24 hours for DNS propagation. Patience is key here. While you wait, it's a good moment to enable SSL to secure your site and improve SEO. Head over to the Nexcess dashboard under SSL and enable Let's Encrypt. This step will ensure your website is accessed over HTTPS, which is crucial for security and user trust. Finally, let's test your website. Open your domain in a browser, check that all pages load correctly, and give everything a spin. Test your forms, images, and links to ensure they all work seamlessly. And just like that, your website is live and ready for the world to see. Your efforts have certainly paid off. Keep exploring, and happy hosting.